Here we go. First presentation from new homie Mark. He's going to be talking about the game he's been working on.
Hi, thanks everyone. Thanks for having me as well. I'm still in kind of quarantine mode, but it's good to be here. This is the game I've been working on for the last year at least anyway. It's going to be mobile, possibly iPhone, and then PC anyway. It's called Dole Quest, and it's the ultimate job seekers game. Now, too often in RPGs, you have to roleplay as a hero in a fantastic world of magic and wonderment and fantastical blah-de-blah. In Dole Quest, you just assume the role of a guy, Howard, in a world stripped of hope, magic, and opportunity, modern-day Ireland. Who wants to cast spells? Oh yeah, sorry. Dole is what you call the job seekers allowance, what you get, the money you get if you don't have a job. So who wants to cast spells when you can apply for jobs that aren't hiring? Why converse with mages when you can get grilled by your family because your life is going nowhere? Why bother battling monsters when you can battle your crippling depression and self-worth? So that's the game. I have some images to show. Again, it's very work in progressy. It's kind of going to be like kind of PS2 era GTA graphic wise. I have some. I'm mostly doing the map now. Once I get that down, I'm going to get onto quest design, which is what I really want to do overall. There's the park, and there'll be a little dialogue stuff with these fella. Here's the beach. Here's a few of the boys. There's more of it. So any questions?
Are you somehow inspired for this game in your life?
Yes.
Sorry for a bad question.
Oh no. I've been, since after college, I've been unemployed for pretty much 9 of 10 years. So I had one job in TV in Ireland, and then Netflix destroyed the Irish TV industry. So that was good. So I don't mind. I don't mind if people want to watch Stranger Things. It's okay. It's okay. Anything else?
You have a question from the chat.
Yeah.
Which part of Ireland is this being set in?
Oh, now you can't see it in this picture, or maybe you can. But it's called. It's in Dublin. It's called Ballycack. That's a made-up name. It translates as shit town.
You seem like a very positive guy.
Yeah. Anything else? Yeah.
What's the core gameplay about?
It's mostly going to be kind of fetch questing and dialogues with like branching dialogue stuff. I want there'll be no attacking or magic or anything because that's not it. Like just my experience of being unemployed is that you just have a million worthless, pointless, grindy chores to do, and I wanted to kind of get that kind of MMO kind of like thing in it as a bit of a satire. But I'd like to have a lot more kind of branching dialogues. Like ideally, the plan is to there's 4 lads there and then that lad there, so there'll be 4 main storylines that will culminate in that you kind of have to get all the boys to an event. So say someone's going away, or the next one's like, oh, let's go and have a bonfire or something. Each act then ends with your main character getting blackout drunk, and then he starts the next quest the next day with no idea what happened, so he has to figure that out. So you have to follow the storyline of all the boys anyway. So yeah, any more questions? Yeah.
How far are you in the progress, and do you know some release date as well?
Oh, I'm still doing the map. I'd say I'll spend another 3 months doing the map, but yeah, sometime I'd hope to move on to the questing kind of stuff next year by the start of January or something, and try to have it. So the optimizing is going to be a bit because I want to have it on mobile as well. So that might take a bit. So sometime next year I want to have it out. Yeah.
Will the game make you laugh or cry?
Hopefully Yes. Hopefully, yeah. No, it's a kind of like tongue-in-cheek kind of satire kind of thing. Like, so yeah. The main thing is that it's funny anyway. I feel it'll have to be funny because there's nothing interesting to do. You know, there's no like skills or upgrades or anything. So I'll have to make it. I'm kind of really inspired by kind of CD Projekt Red and stuff like, so that kind of having these quests that just kind of have little twists and turns and stuff like. So yeah.
Are you making the art asset yourself?
I am, yeah. These are all again work in progress, so I'm learning it as I go. He was originally, that's polygon style, but I've since moved on to kind of actual textures.
Is that Conan O'Brien?
No, he was actually based off Hugh McGregor from Trainspotting. Yeah.
Yeah, what's your motivation, or better stated, what's your ideal outcome for this game?
Honestly, I just kind of want to use it. If it does well, it does well, but it just have it as a kind of calling card to get work in game design somewhere, hopefully on the kind of narrative end of it. I was a screenwriter in Ireland, and I used to always look at just games lengths, because you'd be working on a script or something that would be like 20 minutes, and that would take 3 years. But when you see like game length and you go, oh, that's 10 hours long, or that's 100 hours long, that just seems like more fun to do as a writer, like, you know. Thank you.